In 1896, the Baptists of Iowa were looking for a location for their state assembly grounds. Eugene Ellsworth got busy. Ellsworth obtained 6 acres of land west of the river for the assembly grounds. The land was donated to the Baptist Church. The land was obtained from the Jason Estes family. Sarah Estes had been a widow for 20 years at the time, and the land was sold for the assembly grounds. The problem with the land was there was no way to get to it. There was no Washington Avenue Bridge in those days. C.C. Bartlett and J.M. Eddy built the first Chautauqua Bridge in 1897 for the First Baptist State Assembly. 6,000 people crossed the bridge on the first Sunday of the assembly. Chautauqua was an adult education and entertainment event in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Fitz did more than any other person to preserve the swinging bridge as we know it today. He donated $50,000 in 1989 for its remodeling. Chautauqua is gone, but it is still a spiritual place.